Encountered an old LH compressed archive file? This is a vintage compression format popular in the Amiga and DOS era. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to extract files from these LHA compressed archive files using modern tools. Don't worry if the first steps fail. I have a guaranteed nuclear option recovery process for the LH format, but we'll attack the top issues first. Users with an LH file have a compressed archive, similar to a zip or RAR file. They are searching for software to extract the contents, which could be anything from old software to documents. This format was particularly popular on Amiga and MS-DOS systems, so the user may be dealing with legacy data. The LH format, created by Haruyasu Yoshizaki, uses the Lempel-Ziv-Huffman (LZH) compression algorithm. It was designed as a free and efficient archiving tool. Its header contains metadata about the compressed files, and the data is stored in a contiguous block, optimized for sequential access on older systems. Generally, LH files are associated with 7-zip developed by Igor Pavlov. Proper management of the file's internal compression logic requires a dedicated utility. Windows lacks full compatibility with many archive types, so external utilities are needed to open them. To bypass the default application error, right-click the LH file and choose Open With. Prioritize 7-zip if available. If absent, choose another application. We are searching for a viable decoder. If the LH file won't budge, stay calm. You're dealing with a truly tricky LH file. We must now test the most common points of failure. Let's see exactly where the error is originating. First, extracting with 7-zip. Install 7-zip from 7zip.org, which fully supports LHA archive extraction. Right-click the LH file and select 7-zip, then extract. The application decompresses the contents to your specified destination folder, preserving the original file and directory structure from the archive. Next, using LHA tools. For command line operation, use LHA utility on Unix-like systems or the LHA original tools on Windows. Run LHA xarchive.lh to extract files. These tools provide the most accurate handling of LHA archives, particularly for archives with vintage system-specific extensions and encoding. Finally, trying WinRAR or pzip. WinRAR from winrar.com and pzip from pzip.org also support LHA archive extraction. Right-click the LH file and use the archiver's open or extract function. These tools provide graphical interfaces with extraction options and integration with file managers for convenient archive handling. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A helpful next step is to try a utility that attempts to bypass standard file associations by using raw-level data inspection to better identify the file's likely origin. When your file is still locked, it means the file's header or structure is truly obscure. Don't waste time. FileMagick is built for this. It opens hundreds of formats and can be found at filemagick.com. Give the video a thumbs up if it helped, and subscribe for ongoing technical solutions.